today is my birthday. I'm spending my 23rd birthday on a random island, a random Colombian island somewhere in the Caribbean Sea. So I'm on an island called San Andres, and this is actually not even in South America, it's in the Caribbean, and it's right next to Nicaragua. So it makes more sense for this to be considered Nicaragua than Colombia, but you know, colonization. Anyways, I thought it would be super cool to make this video today because last year I was in Thailand for my birthday. This isn't my first time spending my birthday alone, but it's like my first time spending my birthday alone. I'm just really gonna chill. I have a boat ride planned, and there's not much vegan food on this island, but I'm gonna try my hardest to, you know, find something. There's like a smoothie bowl place, and I had some spaghetti yesterday that was literally just naked spaghetti with tomatoes. So I'm gonna try to just find another place. But yeah, today is really just gonna be like a relaxing day, honestly. It's gonna be a day for me to really just like reflect on my life and reflect on the things that I want and to just enjoy myself. And I feel like we feel this pressure of inviting everybody we know and their mom and their third cousin to our birthday parties and just going all out. And you can, I've done that before, but it's like, you can also spend your birthday by yourself. It's how you want to celebrate. I had the decision to either celebrate with my loved ones, my family and my friends back in Atlanta, but then I would have had to leave Jamaica because I spent a month in Jamaica with my family and go back to Georgia and then come to Colombia after my birthday. And I was like, you know what? I spent my birthday in the cold before and I did not like it. So let me embark on this journey by myself, and I guess I can celebrate with loved ones and friends when I get back home in March. I've got to journal and I've got to like do yoga and fix myself up a nice fruit plate before I go and head out to this boat tour. And to anybody who is going to be spending their birthday alone, whether by choice or not by choice, just know that you are loved by God, by yourself, and that's more than enough. Hello?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tiffany. Happy birthday, dear Tiff. Happy birthday to you.
Woo! My 23rd year of life is going to be filled with so much abundance. I bring in peace and prosperity with this 23rd year of my life. Fresh fruit to break my fast. Yes, please. My favorite ever, a Caribbean pear, aka avocado. This one is so much creamier than regular avocados in like the States and North America. So I'm gonna go put it on my plate. Apparently there's a really good component that lies in the skin, so you don't want to like scrape the skin off with a spoon. Just peel it off, just like so, and you'll get those benefits from it.
I'm through with picking up this mess. Every moment sick about the stress. It's time we talk about bad dreams. Gonna chop through reality. Every morning when I wake up slow, I can feel everything to overflow. Yeah, I never thought I'd feel so right. Every time I look you right in the eye. Now it's time I gotta go. I need to know. The decision's been my fault. It's time now. Wrote these my soul. It's time now. Switch it up, switch it up.
I know this probably looks pretty crazy. I'm currently trying to decide which swimsuit I like best. Or this one. I wore this one yesterday, but it's like, I wore it yesterday. Like, so it's literally giving Miss Jamaica swimsuit contest, but we have to see which one looks better. Okay, here's the blue one.
It's time now. Wrote these lyrics on my phone, better than being alone. Maybe I can save my soul. It's time now. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up for a while. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up, switch it up, switch it up for a while. I'll take one more beat, yeah. So I grab my teeth. They want me deep with teeth. I said, I bury thee on me. 6 feet under, in case you wonder. 6 feet underground. My lips here won't make a sound. I told you once, I told you twice. Where I left those words in a past life. I'm moving.
Hola.
Hola. ¿De dónde vienes? Where are you from?
Jamaica y Estados Unidos.
Genial.
See? Y'all, I'm on a boat. Like, what? And it's just for me. I'm on a boat. For myself. I feel like I'm gonna cry. It's so pretty. Okay, y'all, so the music is really loud and I can't have it in for too long in the YouTube video, but just look at this! I have makeup on and it's totally gonna get ruined by the water, but me look here. So let's go ahead and go in and swim. Back once again. My friend told me that like to celebrate my birthday alone, I should like treat my tour guide to like lunch or something, and I thought that was a great idea, so I'm gonna do it. I just came back from like the whole boat tour, lunch and everything, and then I put concealer on my eyelids. I thought it was gonna look different. Let's not talk about it. My arm is getting so tired. Anyways, I had a lot of fun. I just felt like, you know, obviously bathing because you need to shower. Bathe, shower.
No, bro, bathe, take shower, soap and water is there.
And the boat ride was literally so much fun. I have to say something very crazy. So I thought I was good at Spanish until I came to Colombia. As you saw, like, probably a minute ago, I took the tour guide to lunch because I saw this TikTok that she was in, like, I think Ecuador or Peru or something, and she was saying and just suggesting people to, you know, take out your tour guides to eat with you when you go to eat, because it's just nice, and you know, it's not necessarily something that they'd be able to do by themselves. So I took my tour guide out to eat, and it was nice. I was trying to say thank you for eating with me, and so I was gonna say gracias para comer conmigo, which is already not the best Spanish, but instead of saying that, my brain just mushed things together, and instead I said gracias para comerme. Now if you know Spanish, you know that means thank you for eating me. And so he started laughing, and I mean, I have melanin, so you can't really see my cheeks get red, but they definitely did, and I was so fucking embarrassed after I realized what I said. So yeah, he typed in the Google Translate, and then when I read what he said, the Google Translate said, you just said thank you for fucking me. So that was absolutely insane. I had to clarify, that's not what I meant. That's not what I come on vacation for, okay? I'm not a green card girl, okay? No, I'm good. The sun's about to go down. This trip is really just for relaxation. Like, the whole week has been my birthday, if I'm being really honest. I started celebrating my birthday like all the way back in Cartagena. Went on a sunset boat tour. I went swimming at nighttime with the plankton and stuff. I've been celebrating my birthday. I'm just probably gonna walk to the beach nearby, meditate, journal, etc. And yeah, go from there.
What does the first world have but big buildings and rich people with, you know, big egos?
Peep the Cartagena bag.
Life is a pressure.
Super cute. We love it.
The system pressure you for maintain their standard.
Please take a moment to look at this pathway in my Airbnb. And this super cute dog.
Days will come with some waves, surf it or drown. Defeated and divided. Ooh, we could do better as a team whenever we unite. Shit ain't never big as it seems, and no. So I'ma take control.
Where's the lighting? Oh, this is cute. We love it. Okay, so I've just been like chilling and relaxing after coming back from the beach. I actually was gonna not cook and eat anything, but I'm definitely hungry. So I'm gonna just try to like whip something up really quickly. First, I'm gonna cut up the dragon fruit and then eat that, and then I'll like do a salad and etc. I'm gonna stop talking and start cooking because I'm hungry. Y'all, I never travel anywhere without my nutritional yeast. Like, you can laugh at me if you want to, but I literally came here with a whole bottle of nutritional yeast. It's just that good. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Like that lady on TikTok, doesn't she say sprinkle or whatever? More sprinkle, sprinkle. Because nobody's over here eating bland ass salads. Ta-da! It looks quite bland, but I'm not really in the mood for a huge thing. On your birthday, like, it needs to be perfect or whatever. You ever feel that? I always get like that on my birthday, and today I feel like was one of the first birthdays where I haven't been like that, where like I haven't completely broken down if one thing went wrong on my birthday. And that's hashtag growth. You couldn't see me, but I just hit the quan. Let me try to do it again. Ready? That's hashtag growth.